Hey guys, Jeff the Cheesehead Flipper here with just another quick tip. When you're scanning your mass market paperbacks, and you scan this barcode in the back cover like you do with most books, it's not going to show up. Or usually it won't show up. Or something weird will go on, you'll have all these other books aren't what you're looking for. That's because this is actually the barcode for wherever retailer had this book. Whether, grocery store or your big box place. So all the books they receive will have the same barcode. To get the barcode for the actual book, you want to open this cover, and it's located right here. Now this particular book, right now as I'm making this, isn't worth jack. Now I buy these books in huge lots, so usually I'm just a couple cents into these, so it doesn't matter. I make my money on the cost average. This one here will just be donated to probably my local St. Vincent's here in town. Because it only takes about, I believe, $6.99 to make it worth my time to sell it as fulfilled by merchant if the book weighs under a pound. So keep scanning your books, send them in Amazon. If Amazon doesn't work, check how much you'd make fulfilled by merchant if you have the room. Luckily right now I do have the room, so I can get a lot more of these mass buys of books I'm doing. I do have a video I recorded actually last summer on a mass book buy, a couple of them, and I'm gonna get that out to you guys as soon as I can get a new computer and get things edited. Alright, so remember, mass market, inside flap, that's what you want to scan. Alright, have a great day guys, bye bye.